Hey guys, welcome to another one of my quick videos. Today I wanted to show you my Emojoy 15-piece kitchen knife set. We recently decided to upgrade the look of our kitchen and needed a knife set that goes well with our existing kitchen colors. Not only was I looking for something that looked good, but more importantly, I needed a good quality knife set for all of the cutting and the cooking that I do regularly in my kitchen. That was when I discovered this knife set right here, the Emojoy kitchen knife set. This knife set is very well made and durable, and when you pull out the knives, you can feel some heft to it, so it has a good weight. The blades are made of German stainless steel and are very sharp. That's really nice because it makes it easy to cut through all kinds of ingredients that I might be prepping in the kitchen. Although you probably want to make sure that the knife set isn't all the way at the edge of your counter for safety reasons, especially if there are people around or little kids walking around in your kitchen. This set has a variety of knives here for different kitchen tasks, and it makes for a practical and a versatile set for me to use in my kitchen. It comes with a few different colors, but I specifically chose blue because that matched what I needed for my kitchen. The set also comes with a sharpener, which is great to help me maintain my knife set in excellent condition. I also really like the wooden block here at the base, which gives it an elegant touch. It also keeps my knives organized and easily accessible whenever I need it, and it's very convenient for me to just grab when I need it. These knives are also dishwasher safe and rust proof, so it's convenient to clean and maintain them. So if you are looking for a heavy duty durable knife set that can help you with your kitchen cutting needs and to save time when you're prepping meals every day, then this kind of knife set could be useful for you.